Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go to the Play Store and here on the search pool just type the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application installing on your device. And now just tap here to open and go to the enabling settings. Here near the green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, confirm that, tap to OK. Now just go back and here tap to the switch input methods and switch from Gboard to the green Apple keyboard. Okay, and now that's finished. Now we can check. For example, we'll start messaging with someone, for example with HardReset, and if you will text a message you can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as the emojis. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.